Okay, just a quick hello and another little clip. This guy is commonly known as a peewee, but they're properly called an Australian Magpie Lark. So they're a member of the lark family apparently. I'm no expert, I just love birds. They make me happy to look at. Anyway, these guys are, you usually see quite a few of them around. Some people that aren't very observant mistake them for magpies, but apart from their coloration, there's very little in common. They're much smaller, their beaks are different, the whole build is more streamlined and, well, larky, for want of a better word. I like them. They've got quite a varied range of calls and voice. Suited very well to the suburbs, and you also see them in the country too. Omnivorous. They'll take insects, seeds and all sorts of gear. A little bit bigger than a pigeon, I guess you'd say, or about the same size, but not quite as stocky. You usually see them in pairs. You don't often. Oh, hang on. Yeah, there's the missus, or the mister. Apart from a different coloration of the eye when they're juveniles, I don't think there's much. You can't really tell much difference between the male and female. Anyway. That's the peewee. Aussie birds rock.